Curious about what's new in the Tesla 2023.38 software update? Well, buckle up because we're about to delve into the exciting features that have just rolled out. First up, we have the location sharing feature. This thoughtful addition to Tesla's software suite displays an icon on your touchscreen whenever an app requests your vehicle's location. It's all about transparency and giving you complete control over your privacy. You can choose to disable sharing in the settings, a clear nod to Tesla's privacy-first approach. Some have even humorously referred to it as the Ashley Madison mode. Next, let's talk about the Windows during an update feature. This update might seem small, but it's a game changer. Now you can effortlessly manage your car's windows while an update is in progress. No more waiting for updates to finish before adjusting your windows. It's all about constant improvement and making your Tesla experience as smooth as possible. To summarize, the Tesla 2023.38 release has introduced two important features: the location sharing feature for enhanced privacy and transparency, and the Windows during an update feature for increased convenience. These updates reinforce Tesla's commitment to constant innovation and improvement. Remember, Tesla frequently issues new software updates. While not every release includes new features, they often include undocumented bug fixes. So, always keep an eye out for these updates to ensure you're getting the most out of your Tesla experience. That's all for the Tesla 2023.38 release. Stay tuned for more updates and drive safe.